Hello and welcome to today's video. My name is Sayara, and in this video, we're going to talk about how you can achieve success in life using 3 fundamental principles. First and foremost, it's important to note that success is a highly subjective and personal concept. What success means to one person may be vastly different from what it means to another. However, in general, we can agree that success refers to achieving our goals and realizing our dreams, whatever they may be. That being said, there are 3 fundamental principles that, when applied, can help anyone achieve success in their lives. These principles are: first, goal setting; second, persistence; third, adaptability. Let's dive deeper into each of these. First, goal setting. Setting clear and specific goals can help you stay motivated and focused on your path towards success. Your goals should be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By creating smart goals, you can take actionable steps towards achieving them and track your progress along the way. Second, persistence. Persistence is key. In the face of obstacles and setbacks, it's important to remain persistent and to keep pushing forward. Remember that failure is not the opposite of success, but rather a part of the journey towards success. Persistence involves being resilient, determined, and able to bounce back from setbacks. Third, adaptability. Adaptability involves being open-minded and flexible when circumstances change. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes our goals and plans may need to shift or change completely. Adaptability means being prepared to pivot when necessary and to keep an open mind to new opportunities that may arise. In conclusion, achieving success in life requires a combination of goal setting, persistence, and adaptability. By applying these 3 principles, you can take actionable steps towards achieving your dreams and goals, remain resilient in the face of setbacks, and be open-minded to new opportunities that can help you reach your ultimate destination. I hope you found these tips helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.